Get ready, tech fans. Qualcomm Pulse is firing up with a rapid-fire rundown of the news that's shaking up the industry. First up, we've got NVIDIA facing a seismic shift that could redefine the AI hardware landscape. This is huge. Then, we're diving deep into a prediction that could see a dark horse contender set to potentially outshine the AI king, NVIDIA, by 2030. Who is this challenger and why should you care? Next, Supermicro is dropping game-changing hardware, kicking off volume shipments of NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra systems and ready-to-go data center solutions that promise to accelerate AI like never before. And finally, a quick market data update that you won't want to miss. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. NVIDIA's reign faces a potential shift. Prepare yourselves, because the titan of AI hardware, NVIDIA, might be entering a new, more uncertain phase. For the first time in over a decade, their crucial data center compute revenue has seen a decline, a signal that the meteoric rise might be plateauing. While NVIDIA has been the undisputed leader powering the AI boom, new data from the second quarter of fiscal year 2026 reveals a slight dip of 0.9% in sales for the GPUs and CPUs that form the backbone of AI infrastructure. This might seem small, but it's the first sequential drop since this segment became their primary growth engine. In contrast, their networking revenues, particularly InfiniBand, are soaring, nearly doubling and suggesting a strategic shift in customer spending towards interconnects for large-scale AI clusters. Adding to the pressure are ongoing export restrictions to China, which have already impacted compute sales. Despite CEO Jensen Huang's confidence in continued record years, the visual evidence of a revenue plateau on a key data center chart is a significant talking point. The company's heavy reliance on a few major clients, with one alone accounting for over 20% of sales, also raises concerns about future stability. While demand for their latest Blackwell GPUs remains strong, the market's eventual need for leveling off expansion curves, as history suggests, looms large. Analysts and the tech community are buzzing about this potential turning point. Is this a temporary blip or the beginning of a sustained slowdown for NVIDIA's dominant data center business? The implications for the entire AI ecosystem are massive. Don't go anywhere, because the story of AI's foundation is about to get even more interesting. We're about to reveal the silent enabler that could be poised to outperform NVIDIA itself. The unsung hero of AI, could TSMC overtake NVIDIA? While NVIDIA grabs headlines with its cutting-edge GPUs, a foundational player in the AI revolution might be the true long-term powerhouse, Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. NVIDIA has undoubtedly been the star of the current AI gold rush, with its stock surging tenfold since the advent of advanced AI models. However, TSMC is the silent engine driving the entire industry. They are the literal manufacturers of the chips that power AI, regardless of whether those designs come from NVIDIA, AMD, or tech giants like Google and Amazon. This makes TSMC an indispensable, unavoidable fact of the AI landscape. You simply cannot do AI without TSMC. As more companies develop custom AI chips, TSMC acts as the central thread connecting the entire ecosystem. For investors worried about NVIDIA losing market share to in-house solutions from Amazon or Microsoft, it's crucial to remember that TSMC will be the one producing those chips anyway. This positions TSMC as a more secure, long-term investment compared to the hype-driven narratives surrounding individual chip designers. However, TSMC isn't without its own significant risks, including geopolitical tensions surrounding Taiwan, massive capital expenditures, and the challenges of international expansion that could impact profit margins. Furthermore, NVIDIA's software advantage with CUDA creates a stickier ecosystem than TSMC's manufacturing-only model. Ultimately, the future of AI in 2030 might not be about the single most superior chip, but about the entity that consistently keeps the entire industry running. While NVIDIA innovates, TSMC provides the essential, reliable foundation. For investors looking beyond the immediate hype, TSMC represents not just a supporting player, but the bedrock of the AI narrative, potentially positioning it for greater long-term returns than NVIDIA. But what happens when these incredible AI advancements meet the physical infrastructure needed to deploy them at scale? Stay tuned as we uncover the latest hardware breakthroughs. Supermicro unleashes Blackwell Ultra, powering the AI factories of tomorrow. Get ready for a massive leap in AI infrastructure as Supermicro announces the volume shipment of its NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra systems, delivering plug-and-play solutions designed for data center scale deployment. Supermicro, a leading total IT solution provider, is now shipping NVIDIA HGX B300 systems and GB300 NVL72 racks worldwide. These aren't just components. They are purpose-built, pre-validated solutions ready to accelerate the most demanding AI workloads, from massive training runs to real-time reasoning and inference. This initiative is crucial for customers looking to build the next generation of AI factories with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Charles Liang, president and CEO of Supermicro, emphasized their track record in deploying new NVIDIA technologies rapidly. He highlighted how their data center building block solutions, combined with on-site expertise, provide turnkey delivery of high-performance AI platforms. This directly addresses major customer challenges like complex networking, power delivery, and thermal management by offering pre-validated, plug-and-play systems at scale. Supermicro's integration of Blackwell Ultra advancements includes sophisticated cooling designs, capable of handling GPUs that can draw up to 1400 W, while offering significant boosts in inferencing performance and memory capacity compared to previous generations. Their portfolio also leverages advanced liquid cooling technologies and high-bandwidth networking options, including NVIDIA Quantum X800 InfiniBand and Spectrum-X Ethernet, reaching up to 800 GB/s. The market response is eagerly anticipated, with industry observers noting Supermicro's critical role in enabling the rapid adoption of NVIDIA's latest silicon. The ability to deploy these powerful systems as AI factories is seen as a key differentiator for companies aiming to lead in the AI race. While cutting-edge hardware is crucial, staying informed about the broader market data that influences these technological shifts is just as vital. We've got a quick update coming your way. Market Data Snapshot, navigating real-time information. In the fast-paced world of technology and finance, staying updated with the latest market data is paramount for informed decision-making. This update focuses on the crucial role of timely information, specifically highlighting that while the Cboe BZX exchange provides real-time data, other market data feeds, including futures and forex, may have a 10 or 15-minute delay. This distinction is vital for traders and analysts who rely on accurate, up-to-the-minute information to gauge market movements and make strategic investments. The data powering these insights is sourced from bar chart solutions, with fundamental data provided by Zacks and Morningstar. Understanding these data delivery nuances allows professionals to better interpret market signals and manage their investment strategies effectively. The accuracy and timeliness of data directly impact trading decisions, portfolio management, and overall market analysis. This information is essential for anyone operating within the financial markets, ensuring that decisions are based on the most current available intelligence. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. But before you go, let's quickly recap the biggest headlines. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Blitz. We saw NVIDIA's data center revenue dip for the first time in a decade, potentially signaling a shift in AI hardware dominance. We explored how TSMC could be the ultimate AI outperformerer by 2030, building the very foundation of the industry. Supermicro is now shipping powerful NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra systems, accelerating AI deployments like never before. And we touched on the importance of understanding market data delays for informed trading. Don't miss out on future deep dives and breaking news. Make sure you're subscribed to Qualcomm Pulse, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, leave a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content.